Alright guys, so the rear speakers we're using, we're also going to stick with the JBL. This is the Club 6520. So our stock speaker, as we showed you before, pretty well destroyed. This is our replacement. It matches the front speakers. These are 50 RMS and 150 peak. So again, I'm not worried about the peak figure, it means nothing to me. The 50 RMS is the one we're using and it's going to be amplified. This will also be high pass, but only at about 80 Hz to match the sub we're putting in the back. Now, as mentioned before about the efficiency rating of them, I found the numbers. So on the box here, it says the sensitivity is 92 dB. Okay, the front ones I found are 90 dB. If you see that number on there, the bigger the number, the better. It basically means it takes less effort for an amplifier or a radio to generate the same amount of sound. There's a whole lot of maths behind it, a whole lot of science behind it and so on, but ultimately if you have a, say, there you go, 90 dB speaker and you put it into a car and then you pull that 90 dB out and you put a 93 dB speaker in there without changing anything else, it will sound around about twice as loud. Okay, but in real terms it just means I don't need such a big amplifier to generate the sound that we're chasing. So I think overall our front speakers and our rear speakers combined is going to be tonally quite nice. Yeah, we'll just drop them in the car and see how we get on.